Hello everyone, today we're going to learn some really interesting Chinese characters. They look easy, they are also relatively easier to remember. However, they're really unique, rare, and interesting. Now let's jump into this and have a look. Just before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button just so that you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. Here's a list of characters I want to show you today. They all share something in common, and that is the character is made of a simple character. And you just write down that simple character 3 times. Now let's look at the first one. So this is the so-called simple character, Jin. That means gold. And then if you look at this one here, that's made of 3 characters of Jin. And it's a different character, and the pronunciation or Pinyin is here, Xin. I still remember back when I was at school, and one of my classmates' first name is Xin, exactly the same character, just like this one. That was really the first time I got the chance to learn this character. And then let's look at the second one. Second one is very common. You see that a lot. So the first one is Mu, and when you write down 3 of them, it's a different character, Sen, which means a forest. And third one, this simple character is for water, 水. And if you put 3 of them together, just like that, again, it's a new character, pronounced as Meow. Again, I still remember a girl's first name is Meow, just like this one. You do see this character in people's name. Again, this is also how I learned this character. This is one example of one simple character developed into something else by simply writing it down 3 times. Now I'm going to quickly pronounce the words in the whole list. Later in your spare time, you can practice as well. Just one more thing I want to mention when you study in your own time. The simple character is always the third one, just like that, always the third one. And then based on that, you write down 3 of them and make a new character, which is always the last one of this whole line. I'm going to pronounce all the characters in the list for your reference. Xin, Sen, Meow, Yan, Yao, Jing, Lei, Zhong, Pin, Ben, Pa, Mo, Lei, Biao, Shan, Biao, Chu, Xian, Bi, Xie, Cui, Nie, Hong, Chu, Ta, Da, Yuan, Bing, Fei, Li, Ruo, Zhuang, Mo, Zhuan, Se, Xiu, Za, Zhe, Ta, Qi, Xin, Xun, Suo, Xiao. Alright, so this is the whole list I want to share with you today. I really hope you enjoy this lesson and find something interesting about the Chinese character from a different perspective. I can guarantee you will definitely impress people if you can share a few characters. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Please do check my other videos here where you can learn how to write Chinese characters from the very beginning.